Problem Tree and 5 Whys. 7-year-old Dalia, a refugee child from Volcania, cannot attend school in Fredonia. What is the problem that needs to be addressed? What do you want to change? Effective advocacy starts with a clear statement of the problem you want to address, based on an analysis of its effects and causes. But how do we distinguish effects from causes? Together with your multifunctional team, you can use the problem tree analysis. The tree trunk represents the problem. The hidden roots represent the causes. The branches, which are visible, represent the effects. You can add smaller branches for secondary effects and deeper roots for sub-causes. The tree analogy shows that no problem can be effectively solved by targeting the branches, the effects. If you really want to address a problem, you need to take out the roots. So let's take a look at a tool that can help identify the underlying causes. Finding the root causes of a situation or a problem in essence implies repeating the question why many times for each answer until we get to the bottom of it. Now let's see an example. First, take note of the visible issues or effects. UNHCR is often approached by asylum seekers and refugees who have no access to services. This is exactly what is happening in Fredonia. Ask yourself why. Because they don't have IDs and are not recognized in the country of asylum. Now you have found the problem. To identify the immediate causes, continue asking why. Because the government didn't issue an administrative order. Why else? Because UNHCR documents are not recognized by the authorities. At this step, the answer to the why question will indicate the underlying causes. The 3 main underlying causes are limited technical capacity of the local authorities, limited human resources for policy implementation, lack of financial resources. Next, continue identifying the root causes. In Fredonia, the root causes identified are the lack of political will to prioritize providing service to asylum seekers and the hostility of the host community towards them. Please keep in mind that you will use advocacy to address specific aspects of a broader problem. The problems you address through advocacy will usually be identified at an operations assessment and planning processes. To learn more about the problem tree analysis and the 5 whys, please go to the UNHCR Advocacy Toolkit.